Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dennis here with Jelsons.com. And today we're kicking off a video series for Every Door Direct Mail Retail. And I'll be walking you through the steps from beginning to end to get started and sending out your very first mailer. So before we get started, if you're looking for more content on direct mail and Every Door Direct Mail, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell so that you get notified when I upload more content. Now, in today's video, you're going to be setting up your account with the United States Postal Service, and this account is free to set up, and it just makes the process for doing Every Door Direct Mail simple. All right, so this won't be a very long video, but it's the first step and getting started. So let's jump into it. And the first thing that we're going to do is to head over to the United States Postal Service website, which is USPS.com. And then you'll just head over here and you'll click the register button. And then on the right hand side here, you'll see the little button here that says sign up now. You'll click that. So once you get to this page, you'll just fill out this quick form. It'll ask you a couple of questions, filling out a username, your password, security questions, and then what type of account you want to create. You can either create a personal account or you can create a business account. You can use either or for Every Door Direct Mail. I personally used a business account for mine. However, when you do fill this information out, you will have to fill out the address information and the contact information for your business as well. So if you don't have that set up right now, definitely go ahead and create it using a personal account. So once you have that set up, we'll be able to move on to the next step in getting you started with Every Door Direct Mail. If you have any questions on this process and getting your account set up, or if you're having issue finding the website, I'll post a couple of the links in the description below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can if you do have any questions on this process. But that ends today's video, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next step.